The hidden bias that quietly controls your life. Have you ever noticed something strange? You know exactly what you should do, yet somehow you end up doing the opposite. You promise yourself you'll study, but you reach for your phone. You plan to save money, but another online purchase suddenly feels justified. You want to build a healthier body, a stronger career, a better future. But the comfort of this moment always seems to win. Most people call this laziness, others call it a lack of discipline. But what if both explanations are wrong? What if the real problem isn't your motivation? It's the way your brain measures time. There's a hidden psychological bias behind nearly every act of procrastination, impulsive spending, unhealthy habit, and abandoned dream. It's called hyperbolic discounting. And once you understand it, you'll stop blaming yourself and start building systems that actually work. For years, many people believe they're broken. They buy planners, download productivity apps, watch motivational videos, promise that this time will be different. Then, a few days later, nothing changes. That cycle creates guilt, and guilt creates even more avoidance. The painful truth is this: you weren't fighting a lack of willpower. You were fighting a brain that evolved for a completely different world. The system wasn't designed for modern life. It was designed for survival. That realization changes everything. Because once you stop treating yourself like the problem, you can finally start solving the real one. Economists once believed humans made rational decisions. According to classical economics, if you preferred a larger reward next month over a smaller reward today, that preference should stay the same forever. It's mathematically consistent, logical, predictable, but real human beings don't behave that way. Behavioral economists discovered something surprising. We don't value the future at a constant rate. Instead, we massively undervalue rewards that aren't immediate. That's hyperbolic discounting. Imagine someone offers you $100 today, or $120 in a month. Many people take the $100. Now imagine choosing between $100 1 year from now, or $120 13 months from now. Suddenly, waiting one extra month feels much easier. The delay is identical, but your preference changes. Nothing about the reward changed, only its distance from the present. Your brain gives enormous emotional weight to right now. Neuroscience helps explain why. Your brain isn't one unified decision maker. It's more like two systems constantly negotiating. One system craves immediate rewards: food, entertainment, comfort, novelty. The other system plans for the future. It thinks about long-term goals, careers, relationships, and health. Thousands of years ago, the immediate system kept humans alive. If food appeared, eat it. If danger appeared, react instantly. There was no guarantee tomorrow would come. So evolution rewarded immediate action. The problem is, modern life rewards delayed action. Learning a skill takes months. Building wealth takes years. Fitness requires consistency. Strong relationships require patience. Yet your ancient brain still whispers the same message: take the reward now. Researchers have even found that your hippocampus, the part of your brain involved in memory, plays a surprising role. When you vividly imagine your future self, your brain begins treating that future person less like a stranger and more like you. This ability is called episodic future thinking. Studies show that people who regularly visualize detailed future experiences become more patient. The future stops feeling abstract, it becomes emotionally real. And that's incredibly powerful, because most bad decisions happen when the future feels invisible. Behavioral scientists have also discovered something fascinating. Willpower isn't the most reliable way to beat present bias. Environment is. Instead of trying to fight temptation every day, design your surroundings so good choices become easier than bad ones. Want to exercise? Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Want to read more? Keep your book where your phone usually sits. Want to stop scrolling? Move distracting apps off your home screen, or make them harder to access. Every extra second of friction reduces impulsive behavior. Tiny barriers create surprisingly large changes. Another strategy is called temptation bundling. Pair something you enjoy with something you avoid. Only watch your favorite show while walking on a treadmill. Only listen to your favorite podcast during housework. Research has found that combining a want with a should dramatically increased gym attendance. Instead of fighting your brain, you're working with it. There's another powerful technique called choice bundling. Stop treating today's decision as a single event. Treat it as the first vote in a lifelong pattern. Skipping one workout isn't just skipping one workout. It's reinforcing the identity of someone who quits. Completing one workout isn't just burning calories. It's strengthening the identity of someone who keeps promises. Your brain discounts individual choices. It struggles to discount an entire future built from thousands of those choices. That's why thinking in systems beats thinking in isolated moments. Here's the hidden benefit most people never notice. Every decision you automate saves mental energy. Every habit you simplify removes another daily argument with yourself. Every environment designed for success reduces decision fatigue. Eventually, you stop asking, should I do the right thing? Because the right thing has already become the easiest option. That's how high performers stay consistent, not through endless motivation, but through fewer decisions. So the next time you catch yourself choosing comfort over growth, don't ask, why am I so lazy? Ask, what system made this decision easy? Because your future isn't destroyed by one dramatic mistake. It's quietly shaped by hundreds of invisible trades between today's comfort and tomorrow's opportunity. Your brain will always love the present. That's biology. But your environment, your habits, and your systems can teach it to invest in the future instead. If this video changed how you see your own behavior, don't let it become another idea you forget tomorrow. Subscribe, not because one video will change your life, but because consistent ideas, repeated over time, shape consistent actions. And consistency is how you stay in the game long enough to become the person your future self is waiting for.